Ngayong gabi nga pala ay nagkaayaan kami dito sa Versailles, Town Plaza na matatagpuan dito sa Las Piñas City. I think parte pa rin siya ng Las Piñas City sa may Daang Hari Road. So this place is called Versailles, Town Plaza. I'm not sure kung tama yung pronunciation ko. Meron diyan parking sa tapat mismo ng Versailles, or Town Plaza. Meron din sa loob, meron din silang, parking, underground parking, I believe. And yung restaurant na actually steakhouse na pupuntahan namin is eto na nga, Escobar's Steakhouse. So, this is our first time na subukan 'to, na try na namin yung, iba't ibang steakhouse, and also I heard na masarap yung smoke nila dito. Me myself, I know how to smoke, pork, beef, chicken. Nag-smoke talaga ako. So, it's time for me to explore kung talaga bang, smoked yung kanilang, steak dito. Meron ding hindi smoked, meron lang literally seared na steak. So, I think ang i-a-avail namin dito or in-avail namin is yung worth 5,000. I think meal set B. So, ano-ano ba yung inclusion sa set B? So merong USDA T-bone, choice of smoked Angus beef belly platter or smoked pork ribs platter. So we chose to have the smoked Angus beef belly, 4 pieces smoked Hungarian sausages, dalawang spicy, dalawang hindi, or cheese. Choice of truffle pasta and aglio e olio pasta platter. We chose truffle pasta. Choice of Java plain and steak rice platter. We chose Java. Meron ding Caesar salad na napakasarap with potato marbles. And last but not the least, of course, drinks, 2 pitchers of iced tea. First is I like the place because the vibes of it is really a steakhouse. Hindi siya extravagant like fine dinings, which is perfect for what we're craving for. And meron din silang alcohol beverages din dito na pwede kayong order. May bar sila doon. So I haven't tried that because this is a family trip, no? So that's why we don't consume alcohol because I don't want my kid to see it. So ito na nga, andito na yung Caesar salad with potato marbles. Yan, napakasarap naman talaga niyan. Perfect yung pagkaluto ng potato marbles. Yung Caesar salad, everything is perfect. May shredded siya na very tiny or maliliit na shredded na, I believe, smoked um, beef. So ayan, ayan na nga at inunahan na namin ng kain. So one thing I can comment in this one is parang isa-isa binigay yung order namin, hindi lahat. But it makes sense kasi appetizer, main dish, naka-organize siya. So ito na yung truffle pasta, ito na rin yung sausage, dalawang spicy and dalawang cheese flavor. So it's kids friendly. Masarap siya para nagustuhan siya ng anak ko actually. So ayan na nga naman, no, napakaganda talaga nung itsura, hindi siya burnt and cooked perfectly. And yung truffle pasta, I expected this to be milky but the texture of itself is perfect. So ayan na nga, hinati-hati na yung sausage para sa kids and also for us to eat it. Para paghati-hatian namin kasi siyempre ano lang, package lang yung, meal set lang yung in-avail namin para siyempre, pasok sa budget. So, for the value of 5,000 pesos, I think mura pa rin siya, eh. Kasi 'pag bumili ka ng steak somewhere or other restaurants, I think 2,000 each na yun, sometimes even more. So, depende. So, ito na nga at, inumpisahan na naming kainin itong sausage. Masarap yung sausage, very neutral yung flavor niya, hindi siya tangy yung taste niya. Kaya yung kids, since alam naman natin yung kids very sensitive yung palate niyan, eh. 'Pag hindi nila nagustuhan, 'pag masyadong flavorful na for adults yung flavor, medyo hindi nila nagugustuhan. But I don't know, my kid has a different kind of palate. Nagugustuhan niya yung mga pagkain ng adults. But anyway, so ito na yung belly, smoked belly. So, in terms of smoke, again, I told you earlier na nag-smoke talaga ako ng pork, ng beef. So, in-smoke talaga siya. It's authentic, no? Smoke talaga siya, but there's a little bit of may nalalasahan akong liquid smoke. So, artificial smoke per se. So, ayan. Anyway, It doesn't matter, masarap naman siya, masarap talaga siya. Yung fats niya lalo na yung juice niya nandun lahat. Eto na nga, sinerve na rin yung USDA T-bone. Ang pinili naming, yung doneness is medium, not medium rare. Because ang concern is baka hindi lahat sa'min kumakain ng medium rare. So, pinili nila is medium. So, siyempre, let's meet halfway 'no, lalo na pagkasama natin yung family natin. So, yun na nga, kumain na kami at marami kaming nakain and yung anak ko is gusto niyang baunin yung truffle pasta kaya nung one fourth na lang yung natitira, is tumigil na kami kumain ng truffle pasta kaya nabitin kami. But it's good, it's okay. Meron din side dish na corn, not to mention yung mga sauce nung steak nila, yung steak sauce, yung gravy, and especially yung sauce ng potato marble nila, it's perfect. So far, sa lahat ng kinain namin, kita mo yung mukha ng anak ko, sarap na sarap. Walang tapon. This is something that I would pay for. For ₱5,000 hindi ako manghihinayang. Kasi alam naman natin na 'pag tayo kumain sometimes outside, 'no, with our family, we pay this certain amount and we ended up na frustrated na parang hindi na may usapan na parang, "Hindi ko 'to babalikan for this certain amount of money. Hindi ko 'to babalikan, para magbayad ako ng ganitong amount kasi hindi naman siya worth it." Or kung sa salita natin ay hindi siya parang tatatak sa palate mo, hahanap-hanapin mo na magke-crave ka for it. But this restaurant for me is perfect. Hindi naman siya 100% perfect because, again, may napuna nga ako yung smokiness niya is may nalasahan akong artificial, but for me, it's nearly perfect. Lalo na kung gusto mong ma-enjoy ng lahat ng member ng family mo, yung steakhouse, food, then I think, Escobar Steakhouse is the perfect restaurant for you. So in conclusion, from the place itself, the food, walang tapon. If it's kids friendly, yes, definitely yes. Nagustuhan ng anak ko yung pagkain nila. Lalong-lalo na yung truffle pasta. Kasi again, sinasabi ko nga, hindi overpowering yung spices niya. If you overpower the truffle, hindi na siya masarap. Masyado na siyang mabango. And yung value for money, again, this set that we ate is ₱5,000. Again, guys, trust me, sobrang mura na niyan. And again, yung place din, yung parking, convenience, na andun lahat. And meron ding coffee shop sa harap. So pagkatapos mo kumain, if you wanted to stop by and get some coffee, meron din. So perfect din yung location niya. And again, this is Escobar's Steakhouse. This is one of the best steakhouse that I visited. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.